dati ako... Ako nag... Parang tuwang-tuwa kayo pag may nasasaktan eh, no? Kasi... Kung tagan... Nakainom ako eh. Ayos ah, parang gusto niyo yun ah. Ay, lakas pala nun. Si Atty. Alex. Hey, happy birthday Atty. Alex. Thank you ah. Ay, Atty. Charlie pala. Sorry. Maling birthday pala na naman tayo. Atty. Charlie, thank you ah. Magkano ba ito sa akin dito? 20,000, no? I remember the time when I was young. Alam mo, mag-English na ha. I remember the time when I was young. My mom loves me so much. Madalas niya akong sobrang mas nga. First. That's why I said again, ang Michael Asoy kasi marami pang susunod eh. Kaya ko sana mag 20 minutes kasi sorry guys. More